Number 11. We're going to solve this equation. We have 9x minus parentheses 6x minus 1 close parentheses equals 1.999. Okay, first we're going to distribute, okay, and drop these parentheses. So because of the minus sign, it's acting as a -1, or -1 is on the outside. So we have to change both these signs. So this is going to be 9x. -1 times +6 is going to be a -6x. -1 times -1 is a +1. You must do that or you will get this incorrect. Equals 1.999. All right, we can combine like terms, subtract, and that will give us 3x plus 1 equals 1.999. We're going to subtract 1 from both sides, so subtract 1 from here. That's going to give us 3x equals 0.999. And then we're going to divide by 3. So if you do divide by 3, we're going to get x equals 0.333. So this is what we get. And we have our answer choices in fraction form. So one thing you can do once you get this answer, I don't know, the calculator will do it when you just do 0.333 because I think you need more. If I turn this on and I say 0.333, this calculator has the ability to change decimals to fraction and vice versa. So if I do math and then I want to make this a fraction and I do enter, and I do enter again, it's giving me this 33 over 100 over 1,000, but it doesn't match anything that we have. So, and I know why, because 1/3 is actually non-ending threes, but let me just show you. Once you get this, you can just type in these answer choices and see which one matches what you have. So if I type 1 divided by 15, and then I hit enter, it gives me 0.0667. That doesn't match. Okay, if I do a -1 over 15, it's going to be the same thing except for negative. Now if I do 1 divided by 3, it gives me 0.3 repeating, so more than 3 of them. And then if I do negative, it will give me a negative minus positive. So the best choice is going to be 1/3. But notice how many 3's you have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it looks like if you do at least a minimum of 10 digits, it will convert to a fraction. Let's see. If I do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then I do math, and then enter to convert it to a fraction. Okay, now it will show me 1/3. So if you have a repeating non-ending decimal place, you need at least 10 for the calculator to convert to decimal. So 1/3 is our answer choice here. Okay, number 12. This one we want to find the solutions for this expression. And so work number 12 right here. We have 5 minus absolute value of 4x equals 3. Got to isolate the absolute value first, so we're going to subtract 5. The 5 is positive, so subtract 5. I'll actually show it. That goes away, bring down the negative absolute value of 4x equals -2. Now because it is negative, we either have to multiply by -1 or divide by -1. Let's just say multiply by -1 because absolute value is not by itself with this out front. Times -1. This will give us 4x equals, absolute value of 4x equals +2. So now this is in a setup that we can solve. Absolute value, we will solve it twice. So we have 4x equals 2 and 4x equals -2. Divide by 4, we get 2 over 4 or 1/2 when reduced. and divide by 4, we get negative 2 over 4, or negative 1/2. I'm going to do division 1 over 2, and then division to the bottom, negative 1 over 2.